Good afternoon. My name is Juan Jose Arias, and today I'm going to present to you my problem solution paper about the solar panels built up of algae. Introduction. As we know, global warming is a very serious problem that is getting worse and worse every day. This effect generates due to the main contaminants of the planet since the sunlight. Um, there are certain type of rays that do not leave the planet because the atmosphere. These rays are known as infrared rays that are absorbed by the pollutants and it generates the greenhouse effect. Of this, the increase of the temperature in Earth. As I planned, there are some solutions, but the solution that I came with is the solar panel made up of algae. There are some problems and consequences with this. The first one is the melting of the glaciers, because and the consequence of this is the level up of the water that could affect some of the principal cities and also the world and some cities that are really near to the oceans. The second is the end of marine life because this ecosystem generates 70% of the oxygen. And that is why, if the temperature continues to increase, the consequence it will be that we cannot breathe and we could not have the necessary oxygen to breathe. The third problem is the health implications. The health implications for humans due to the pollutants. And some of the disease are heart attacks, strokes, pneumonia, lung cancer, and lung infections. So I came with this question that is, what can we do to fight all these problems? As we know, deforestation has caused that the quality and quantity of the oxygen decrease. As we know, the Amazon is the lung of the world, but however, the deforestation has been so extensive in this place that the equivalent of the deforestation is the total area of France and Belgium. And therefore, some countries are already begun to implement certain types of solution to increase the production of oxygen. In this case, some of the solution are the algae. And they build some technologies that help to combat global warming, such as solar panels built up of algae. These solutions are the nanotechnology that helps to generate environmental and reduce the environmental footprint and reduce some of the effects that humans make. That's why my solution are the solar panels that are built up of algae. These panels help in some main problems of the global warming. However, trees could never be replaced. The panels absorb the infrared rays, and as a result, it transforms it in some energy that humans use in their daily life. In terms of health, it absorbs the most common pollutant gases in the atmosphere, which is the carbon dioxide. As we know, panels are composed of algae, and it transforms the carbon dioxide into oxygen. Therefore, there would be some of the there would be reducing of the health implication. Finally, these technologies helps to combat the main problem of global warming, such as pollutants, greenhouse effect, and deforestation. But as I said in the beginning, Humans could never replace the natural processes such as the growth of the trees. Also, the use of microalgae as a biofuel is a way to improve the production of clean energy since it can be a sustainable energy for society. And in the conclusion, these solar panels are renewable energy, so we can use many times as we want. Second, their quality problems could be fight with this technology. Third, the end of the fossil fuels because these new technologies could create more sustainable energy and better way to create energy for all our daily things. And, and then finally, the importance of new technologies to protect the planet is evident with all these solutions that I bring up to you, because this technology could help to fight the consequence of the problem that brings the global warming.